Fashala Raja Khorang Badarga Dasharath Stadium Dalbidal Sports Center Swnamjakma Thaino Naikha Haste Hastepha Reddy Nalu Beraiwi Zorawa Hastepha Reddy Nalu Logio Tongkha Youth Affairs Sport Department ni Adongro Ashalo Hastepha Reddy Nalu Dasharath Stadium ni Dalbidal Sports Center Swnamjakma Thaino Beraiwi Yaglo Thangnai Rokbai Kokshaka Arono Hastepha Shaka Thangmungno Hasteno Shakangai Talangnai Hinai Te tennis complex bo Swnamjaknai abo haikeno Hasteni lukurok thungmungni Dalbidal shape manai hinai
Tripura is becoming a sports state day by day. It is giving encouragement and people are particularly students are very much interested to participate in sports, and now more latest swimming pools have come already, and tennis court, this sports complex, and Sports Authority of India, it is laying all type of modern tracks, and I am sure that Tripura students will take the advantage of these facilities, and they will compete. Already they are competing in certain sports, and in coming years Tripura will lead in sports. This is my impression, and people will keep up my word. That is my
Raja Khorang Nishimi Pronomnikok Thum Chini Khorang